Hi everybody, it's Annabelle from East Coast Mommy, and today I have some inexpensive and super cute graduation party favor ideas that you are going to love. I'm going to show you how to transform these cheap treats into fantastic party favors using the free tags that I designed. You can download them for free on my blog. I'll leave the link in the description box below. The first tag says, "Thanks for celebrating our smart cookie," and I'm going to show you two options for this tag. First, you're going to cut the tag, which is a 4x6 photo, into 4, and using a paper cutter or scissors, cut it into the shape of a tag. Once you add a hole to the top with a hole punch, you can add it to a package of homemade cookies, or you can use a piece of twine and add it to a package of store-bought cookies. I think both options are super cute. The next tag says, "Thanks for making my graduation sweet." And the possibilities for this one are endless. You can pair it with candy, or you can pair it with chocolate, depending on what your favorite is. So for this one, I grabbed some Jolly Rancher candies and I use them to fill these black organza bags that I found at the dollar store. Then I just used the string on the bags to attach the tags, and that's it. The next tag says, "Thanks for the encouragement." And I have two options for this. One is to just cut a rectangle out of the tag and stick some double-sided tape on the back and attach it to some peppermint gum. Alternatively, you can grab the black organza bags that we used for the candy and fill them with peppermints. Use the drawstring to close it and add the tag. The next tags say, "Thanks for popping by to help me celebrate." You can pair these tags with popped popcorn, but I thought it'd be fun to attach them to these bags of microwave popcorn for people to take home. I grabbed some black and gold twine that I had, but you can use ribbon or whatever you have in your stash, and wrap it around the popcorn and then attach it to one of the tags. These tags say, "Thanks a whole bunch," HOLE, and they're perfect to pair with donuts or donut holes. I grabbed these cellophane bags at the dollar store and I put one donut in each bag. Then I tied the top of each bag with a piece of twine and attached the tag that I designed. I'm going to show you a fun way to display these goodies, but first, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You can make a bunch of one of these party favors, or you can make an assortment. I planned to display mine on this tiered tray that I made using dollar store plates and candle holders. I'll leave a link in the description below to the tutorial for making this tiered tray. I hope you enjoyed this video and like the free tags I designed. Please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and I'll see you next time. Bye.